Welcome from MSSC. Today's quick look will focus on the basics of internal and external sensors on the newly redesigned SmartJet Blue printer. Let's get started. First, navigate to Settings on the home screen and press Enter. Then, highlight System Settings and press Enter. Now, locate Print Mode and press Enter. In Print Mode, please select Sensor Mode and then press Enter. In Sensor Mode, you can toggle between an internal or external photo eye sensor. These sensors trigger printing from the printer. In our demonstration, we will start with the internal sensor by highlighting Internal to define the sensor mode, then press Enter to proceed. If we take a look at the top of the printer, we'll see the word Sensor. When set to internal mode, waving my hand in front of the printer engages the sensor, causing the LED next to the word Sensor to illuminate red. This indicates that the photo eye located below the ink cartridge on the front of the printer is being triggered. The red LED illumination confirms that the internal sensor is in use. In our video titled Adjusting the Internal Sensor, you can review the process for adjusting the internal sensor's sensitivity using the potentiometer screw located at the top of the printer. Now, I'll switch the sensor mode to external and add an external sensor by plugging it into the DB15 port labeled Extended on the printer. For this, I'll be using MSSC part number 80870, which is a photo eye with a DB15 connector. After connecting the photo eye to the extended port on the printer with the DB15 connector, you'll notice a green LED on the sensor, indicating that the photo eye has power and is in a stable mode. When the red LED on the photo eye illuminates, it indicates that the photo eye is being triggered. Now, let's examine the top of the printer for an important detail. In external sensor mode, the sensor LED turns green when the photo eye triggers. This provides a simple visual indicator to ensure you're using the correct setting. In external sensor mode, triggered by an external sensor, the sensor light turns green. On the other hand, a red light on the sensor LED at the top of the printer indicates an internal sensor trigger. Both modes will indicate an internal sensor trigger as a red LED, but the internal sensor will only trigger a print when it is set to internal sensor mode. That's another MSSC Quick Tech. Happy printing from MSSC.